BMW Motorrad has enhanced its mid-size scooter lineup with the updated C400X and C400GT models, catering to urban mobility and touring enthusiasts alike. The C400X emphasizes dynamic performance, making it an ideal choice for city riders, while the C400GT focuses on comfort for longer journeys. Both scooters are powered by a robust single-cylinder engine, producing 34 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 35 Newton-meters at 5,750 RPM. The powertrain features a continuously variable CVT transmission, ensuring smooth acceleration and handling. With the latest Euro 5 Plus homologation, these scooters promise dynamic and enjoyable rides. Aesthetically, the C400X showcases a redesigned front and is available in a new, rugged model variant. This variant features a striking Kalamata metallic matte finish, complemented by red accents, off-road-inspired tires, and stylish handguards, creating a bold and adventurous look. Safety is a priority, with BMW's ABS Pro, dynamic brake control, dynamic traction control, and engine drag torque control systems included as standard. ABS Pro enhances braking stability even during cornering, while dynamic brake control ensures optimal braking performance by preventing unintended acceleration. DDC offers improved traction control, particularly in slippery conditions, and engine drag torque helps maintain stability during sudden throttle changes. The C400X and C400GT come equipped with a user-friendly 6.5-inch TFT display, providing a wealth of information and connectivity options. Riders can easily access navigation, music, and call functions through the BMW Motorrad connected app. The C400GT can be upgraded to a larger 10.25-inch display for an even more enhanced experience. Storage has also been improved, with increased capacity under the seat, 3 liters more for the C400X and a significant 12 liters for the C400GT. The C400GT features a manually adjustable windshield as standard and can be equipped with a new 43.5-liter top case, which offers increased volume and payload, as well as USB charging and interior lighting. With these updates, the BMW C400X and C400GT offer riders an excellent blend of performance, safety, and practicality, making them standout choices in the mid-size scooter segment.